Hey there YouTube, it's Dan and I'm really excited to do this review for you guys today. I've been milling over this purchase for quite some time. A couple days ago I finally decided to go ahead and pull the trigger. Uh, this is actually answering a question that I've asked for quite some time. Is there actually an optic out there that's not Aimpoint or EOTech that's worth buying? And any of you guys know that are building entry-level AR-15 builds, acquiring entry-level AR-15s, or just like to have a inexpensive sight to put on, just a fun plinking gun. It's kind of hard to find a quality optic, and I've found one that actually works pretty good. And we have here is the Vortex Strikefire red dot sight. Now it comes in a couple different flavors, couple different option packages, and I'm gonna get into that. So let's go ahead and get cracking. So first off, I have the red and green dot version. So this one actually illuminates a red or green dot with just a flick of a switch, depending on your lighting conditions, which dot will suit you. The green dot is actually very good on here, and I'm assuming that that's pretty much all I'll be using on this, so I'm very happy about that. Then they also have just a solid red dot version. And as far as the accessories that come with it, you have two different types. You have the extended ring mount, which I have here, which is suited to co-witness with your AR-15, the front sight post. And then you have the hunter version, which sits a little bit more flush to the barrel, very low. So of course, since I'm putting this on AR-15, I opted for the AR-15 mount version. And when you get it, it comes packaged like this. You get a really nifty little 2x magnifier, which is a great accessory. You pop that in, you get a little bit extra vision without diminishing your field of view. By too much anyway. Cleaning cloth, Allen wrench, and instruction manuals, what you get when you purchase this. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the sight here. Now with anything you have pros and cons. And why I say this definitely helps you out if you're looking for just to save some money versus buying your EOTech or Aimpoint. It's definitely not. You can notice a couple of different you can notice some areas where it lacks that EOTech or Aimpoint quality, but for the price you really can't beat it. And as you see here, I have this mounted on an economy AR-15. This is the Core 15 basic model. I'm going to do a review about this because this is an outstanding rifle. For the money that you pay, you get a lot of great features, a lot of good premium features for a economy price. So here's the sight here. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this right quick. Pull this off so I can give you guys a good look at the Strikefire system here. And look forward to a review on this beautiful piece of weaponry right here, Core 15. Can't say enough good things about it. Now, one thing I like about it, solid aluminum tube. One thing I don't like about it is the sight itself is actually pretty small. Your field of view is about I want to say 36 millimeters. I believe it's listed as a 40 millimeter sight, but really you're looking at about 36 millimeters here. It does have protective caps on it to protect your optics. Another thing I don't like is the fact that you have these little appendages that stick out. And this is why you wouldn't use this as for a true tactical scope. If you're an operator that actually life depended on it, all this extra stuff on the side that can snag, you don't want that. But if you're somebody like me that collects guns, that enjoys guns, enjoys the equipment and accessories that go on them, this is great. This is what you want. You got your windage and elevation dials over here. You have your on switch and you have your intensity level controls, and you also have this nifty little night vision switch. So if you got some night vision equipment, you can hit this and it's going to put the dot on its lowest setting possible, so you can still see that dot through your night vision. Now, let's face it, that's a moot point. if you're spending this type of money on the red dot scope, you're probably not spending $1,000 plus for some night vision optics. So cool feature, totally unnecessary. Now let me go ahead and crack this on. So the power button also controls the red and the green dot. So I'm going to hit the power button right here, and you should be able to see the red dot right here, and it's actually pretty crisp and clear. There you go. So that's the red dot, and that's the green. So depending on where you look, it says that this has a 4 MOA sight red dot. The one that I have actually has a 2 MOA dot, and it looks a lot bigger in the video than what it is in real life. So and this is the one that I wanted. I wanted the 2 MOA dot, so I was happy with that. You actually have 10 levels of let's get that dot back. You have 10 levels of light intensity that you can adjust here. And the battery life is actually pretty good as well. And that's, wow, that's the brightest intensity right there. So looks a lot smaller in real life, but you can see that it gets bright when need be. Hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn it off. And the power consumption is actually excellent on this. At the highest setting, with a CR2 battery, it claims to get you about 400 hours of life. And let's put that back on the screen there. And at its lowest setting, it claims to give you a couple thousand. So have yet to try that. I would recommend upgrading this from the CR2 battery to the CR123 battery. The difference between the CR2 and the CR123 battery is that the 123 actually contains a little bit more juice, so you're going to get a little bit more battery life, and not typically they're about the same price. So why not get more battery life? It's a little bit bigger, so you have to screw it down a little bit harder, but it will still fit, it will still work. And pretty much that's it. So it's a very quality scope, and if you're in the market for your first AR-15, I would recommend buying this and save that extra $300 and $400 to get yourself some good ammo and get some trigger time behind your AR-15 versus just decking it out with the most expensive toys you can get. So I'm going to wrap this up. If you guys have a chance to get your hands on one, this costs about 1/3 to 1/4 of the price of the comparable Aim Point or EOTech products. It gives you good quality for the recreational shooter, for somebody that's using the AR for home defense, somebody that's not going to combat. This is going to serve you well, and serve you for a long time. Hope this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact me at any time. This is Dan. You guys take care.